Good evening, friends. I hope you're all doing well. I'm also fine. My name is Aditya Rahman and I'm a W certified DevOps engineer. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up a Vue.js project in your local and create a CI/CD pipeline with Amplify. So let's get started. So to set up the Vue.js project locally, you need to have Node.js 18 plus installed. I already have Node.js installed in the local. So if I click here in the terminal, the Windows PowerShell, and here I can see I have not 22. That is the latest at this moment. If you install Node.js, you will also get 22, and that should be fine. Setting up Go. Next, we can use npm, and we can copy this command from their official website, vue.js.org/quick start.html. So let's put it here. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so let's give a project name. So it should be like I'm creating a project for a ERP system. Right? So it's ERP. I'm going to use TypeScript. That's it. So I'm going to go to ERP and then install and there npm install. This will install all the npm packages. After that, I'm going to run npm. Okay, so Vue.js it's a very lightweight JavaScript framework that you can use it in your projects if you are interested. I like its simplicity because it's very simple and light, and it uses the Byte for building up the packages and everything. So I think it's very interesting if you try for some of your projects. Okay, still taking some time. Maybe my internet is or something. I'm going to pause the video and wait for the 2 minutes. Okay, I used Yarn and that was very fast. So let's open the project in VS Code. Need to add a file here. The file name is amplify.yml. .1, and I can use GitHub Copilot to generate the file for me. One thing I need to adjust is that this build file that's not correct for the Vue.js project, because if I run one build, it's basically creating the dist. So it should be based into dist, list, not build. Okay. Now let's create a GitHub project. My plan is to create an ERP project with you. Vue.js, and then it should be public. It's good. And create a project. Because I already have the project, so I can use existing project from this one. So first I need to run git init, and then git init, and then we can run this git branch main, and then the push origin push I have to add the changes here. Initial bunch. It's there. Okay. Now let's go to AWS Amplify and then let's create a new project and reduce GitHub. Next. I'm authorizing AWS to access my GitHub repository. And that is the main branch. Next. Okay. So let's wait for the build to be deployed in Amplify. And after that, once the deploy is done, then we can get a temporary URL like this to view the project. So let's okay, the bit failed. Let's go to the details and we can click build. Click here. It says the node is incompatible with the module. Expected version is 18.19 or 20, but we get 18.18. Okay, let's fix it. So before running install, maybe we need to use install node latest version, right? Node 22. So I can install npm install 20 and then npm use 20. So what will happen? This will install the node version 20 into the code field using npm and then use node 20 as the default node version. After that, it will try to npm install. So let's try to see. This is solving the issue. Node 20 used. It's the beauty of the amplify is that if you push the code, it will trigger automatically. So the pipeline will automatically re-trigger like this. Then you can see this happening. Okay. This time the build went successful. So it's deployed. I can click the temporary URL. Then I can see the project, right? So that's fine, fair enough. But the URL is temporary. So we can link our domain or subdomain to this. So let's do that. First, I'm going to go to my Cloudflare account. So using Cloudflare, I manage all my domains. So I'm going to use one of my domains and create a subdomain to point to this vuejs project, right? So let's go there. Okay, I'm in my Cloudflare account and I'm going to add the subdomain. So let's give it a name. So I'm going to use like emp.entity.xyz. So to do this, let's click on hosting and then click on custom domains. And here I'm going to add a new domain. And click check domain availability. I'm going to use new configuration. Then amplify managed certificates. This will start to take the SSL certificate and also will give a CNAME record to point the domain to this amplify project. So let's click here and click into DNS records. Click on the DNS records. Here it is. I click copy, go to my Cloudflare account, and click on reports. It should be seen in SQL is the value. Digital proxy. So, similarly, click paste value, then click add reports, issue ERP, set, right? Sounds good. Let's close this. Take some time to refresh and to propagate the DNS changes. So let's come back here, open refresh the system, and put auto more minutes. And after that, you can see all those things are. Okay, the DNS verification is done. So now if I click this, copy this, and I should be able to see my project, right? So this is the project. Okay. So far, so good. We have successfully created a new project with Vue.js and created the amplify.yaml file, put it into the GitHub project, and then GitHub repository, and then created a amplify pipeline using the amplify.yaml file, the configuration that is required. So far, that's the basic part of this project. I hope this helps you to get started with Vue.js, and if you are interested on Vue.js to create more interesting projects, then put your like project description in the video comment section. I will try to cover that as well. So that's it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.